Welcome to this journey of inner peace. Take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the weight of the world beginning to lift. Allow your mind to become as still as this water. Forget the chaos outside and focus only on the rhythm of your breath in this moment. In this sacred space, there is no rush, no pressure, and no expectations. You are here to simply be, to exist in total and perfect harmony. Let go of the tension in your shoulders. Release the grip on your thoughts. Every ripple on the water carries away a small part of your stress. You are safe here. Within the silence, you will find the strength that has been waiting for you, hidden beneath the noise of your daily life. As the light begins to break through the fog, feel a sense of clarity returning to your heart. The path to peace is opening before you. Walk with me into the heart of the forest. The air is fresh and filled with the scent of damp earth and new life beginning again. Every step you take deeper into this woods is a step away from anxiety. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished in its own time. Look up at the towering trees that have stood for generations. They have weathered many storms, yet they remain grounded, strong, and incredibly peaceful today. The light is a reminder that even in the darkest forest, there is a way through. You are being guided by a wisdom far greater than. Touch the stillness of the earth. Feel the stability beneath your feet. You are supported by the universe in ways you cannot yet fully see. Breathe in the peace of the woods. Breathe out the worries of tomorrow. Everything you need for this journey is already within your very own soul. The sky above is vast and unchanging. No matter how many clouds pass by, the blue sky remains. Your peace is that eternal blue sky. Listen to the melody of the water. It flows around every obstacle without effort. It teaches us the art of yielding and the power of persistence. Flow with the current of your life. Stop resisting the changes and start trusting the process. You are moving exactly where you need to be now. Release your spirit like a bird in flight. Rise above the trivial concerns and see the bigger picture of your beautiful and unique existence today. Focus your eyes on this single flame. It represents the light of your consciousness, burning steady and bright amidst the darkness of your heavy fears. Let the warmth of this light fill your heart. It is a symbol of hope, a beacon of peace that no shadow can ever extinguish. Inside the center of the fire is a place of absolute stillness. Find that center within yourself, where the storms of life cannot reach you. The night is fading, and a new day is being born. With every second, the light grows stronger, and your worries begin to dissolve away. You are the observer of this light. You are not the candle, you are not the wick, you are the awareness that sees the flame. Even when life blows against you, you have the power to return to your center. You are resilient, stable, and deeply rooted in your peace. As we move into this next phase, prepare to let go of everything that no longer serves you. The sky is clearing for your soul. Watch the clouds drift by. They are like your thoughts, temporary, passing, and weightless. They do not define the sky, and thoughts do not define you. Every pressure you feel is just a cloud passing through. Notice it, acknowledge it, and then watch it float away into the distance of your mind. Release the grip of your past. Let the memories that hurt you drift away like smoke. You are free to be new in this very moment. There is so much space in your heart for peace. You have been carrying heavy stones, but now you are invited to drop them down. The world is big, and your troubles are small when seen from the height of your true spirit. Trust that you are being held securely. Every struggle has a purpose, and every shadow has a light behind it. Believe that your current challenges are leading you toward a great breakthrough. See this tree, standing firm and tall. It does not worry about the wind. It simply sinks its roots deeper and waits for the sun. Your strength is quiet but unshakable. You have survived everything life has thrown at you, and you are still standing here, beautiful and strong. Listen to the wind. It carries away the dust of yesterday. Let the breeze wash over you and cleanse your mind of all cluttered thoughts. You are not alone. You are part of this vast, living earth. The same energy that grows the grass and moves the wind is within you. Stay connected to your source. When you are rooted in peace, the storms may shake you, but they can never break your spirit or heart. Time is moving, and this too shall pass. The difficulties of today will become the wisdom of tomorrow. Trust in the timing of your life. Find shelter in the stillness. You are protected. You are safe. There is a sanctuary within you that is always available, always open for you. Let the light in. Open the doors of your heart and allow the warmth of grace to melt away the ice of anxiety and fear. Even in silence, there is music. Your life is a song, and every note, whether high or low, is part of a grand and beautiful. Surrender to the greatness of existence. You don't have to control everything. Let the universe take the wheel while you rest in this peace. Release the need to know how it will all work out. Release the need to be perfect. You are exactly where you need to be. Your hands are now empty, ready to receive the blessings that are coming your way. An empty cup can be filled with new, fresh water. The horizon is bright with promise. Move forward with a light heart, knowing that you have left your burdens behind in the dust of yesterday. We now enter the heart of our prayer. This is the most sacred part of our journey. Let your spirit become very quiet and receptive. Divine light, shine into every corner of my being. Dispel all the darkness of anxiety, and fill your child with absolute peace. I ask for the strength to walk through the challenges of life with grace. May my heart remain steady when the world around me shakes. Grant me the wisdom to see the beauty in small things. Help me to remember that even a single drop of grace can change everything. I surrender my fears to the higher power that sustains the universe. I trust that I am being led to a place of rest. I am open to receive. I am open to be healed. I am open to the infinite peace that flows through every cell of my body. Inner peace is my birthright. I reclaim it now. I let go of the noise, the anger, and the sorrow that has weighed me down. Let my words be gentle. Let my thoughts be kind. May I be a vessel of peace for everyone I encounter on my journey today. My soul is blooming in the light of truth. I am growing into the person I was always meant to be, calm, confident, and deeply loved. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for this breath. I am grateful for the peace that surpasses all human understanding and logic. Peace be with me. Peace be with you. Peace be with the world. We are all one in this light of eternal love and grace. I release the pressure to perform. I release the need to be perfect. I am enough exactly as I am in this quiet, sacred moment. Grant me the patience of the mountains and the fluidity of the river. Help me to adapt and remain strong through all the seasons of life. I am not lost. I am on a path of discovery. Every step I take is guided by a light that never fades or goes out. My spirit is rising. My heart is light. I have been given wings to fly above the storms of my life and see the sun. Peace is the fragrance of my soul. I carry it with me wherever I go. It is a shield that protects me from the world. I am part of the whole. I am a leaf on the tree of life. I am connected to everything and everyone in this universe. As above, so below. As within, so without. My inner world is reflecting the peace that I see in the nature all around me. I seek the higher ground. I choose thoughts that lift me up and words that heal. I am a beacon of peace in a world. I give thanks for the day that is ending. I trust that the night will bring me rest and renewal for the journey ahead tomorrow. I am centered. I am balanced. I am at peace. My heart is a temple where only love and tranquility are allowed to reside. This prayer is my anchor. It keeps me grounded when the winds of life are blowing hard. I am safe in the arms of grace. Blessings are flowing to me and through me. I am a channel for divine peace to enter the world and heal those who suffer today. I am beloved. I am precious. I am a child of the light. I belong to this universe and I am always at home here. The universe is listening. My prayers are heard. My intentions are clear. I am in alignment with the highest good for all beings today. I am never alone. There is a presence with me, guiding me, loving me, and keeping me safe through the long and dark night. Rest now, my soul. Rest in the knowledge that you are taken care of. The same power that guides the stars guides your life. Let the moonlight soothe your mind. Let the silence of the night heal your heart. You are becoming whole again in this deep stillness. I have the wisdom to see the truth. I have the courage to follow my heart. I am at peace with my past and present. Every season has its beauty. Every moment has its grace. I embrace the cold and the heat, the light and the dark of life. Be still and know. In the depth of the silence, all questions are answered and all fears are washed away by the tide of peace. I am one with the infinite. I am a part of the stardust. I am eternal, and my peace is as deep as the universe. I am the mountain. I am the lake. I am the sky. I am everything, and I am nothing. I am simply here now. The light within me honors the light within the world. We are connected by a thread of love that can never be broken or lost. A new dawn is coming. I am ready. I am refreshed. I am at peace. I walk forward with confidence and a heart full of. Each drop of life is precious. Each moment is an opportunity to choose peace over worry, and love over fear in our daily lives. The highest peak is within reach when you carry peace in your heart. You can overcome any obstacle with a calm and focused mind today. Turn your face to the light. Let the shadows fall behind you. You are a child of the sun, born to shine and live fully. The harvest of your life will be rich with peace. You have planted the seeds of calm, and you will reap a life of joy. Walk softly on the earth. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Your peace is a gift to the world that needs it. You are transforming. The old ways are falling away, and a new, more peaceful version of you is emerging into the bright light of day. Fly with grace. Trust your wings. The universe will support you as you move toward your dreams with a peaceful and open heart and soul. Peace is home. It is where you belong. No matter how far you wander, you can always return to the sanctuary of your own heart. Be like the olive tree, symbol of peace and endurance. Stand strong, offer shade, and bear fruit that heals and nourishes the world around you. Peace is our legacy. We pass it on through our actions and our words. Let your peace be a light for the generations to come. You are loved. You are peaceful. You are whole. Go forth today with the light of this prayer shining brightly in your very soul. Your strength is growing. Even in the hardest ground, life finds a way. You are resilient and powerful beyond your own current human understanding. Peace is not found in the absence of storms, but in the stillness amidst the tempest. You are far stronger than you think. When the winds of life blow, find your roots. Bend with the wind, but do not let it break your inner resolve and calm center. The sun always returns. No storm lasts forever. Your current challenges are only temporary tests of your incredible and divine inner strength and peace. One step at a time. Do not look at the whole mountain, just focus on the step you are taking right now in this moment. The view from the top is worth the climb. Your persistence will be rewarded with a clarity and peace you have never known before today. Rise above the pettiness. See the world from a higher perspective. Your problems are small when you view them from the height of your. Let your emotions flow like water. Do not block them. Let them move through you and turn into something beautiful and bright like a rainbow. There is a secret place of peace behind the noise of the world. Find that hidden sanctuary and stay there whenever you feel overwhelmed by life. Time and patience can smooth any rough edge. Trust the process of your life. You are being shaped into a masterpiece of peace and strength. You have arrived. Breathe in the victory of your own spirit. You are the master of your emotions and the captain of your own soul. Your inner light is as pure as the mountain snow. It is a powerful force that can heal you and light the way for others. Carve this word into your heart. Let it be the foundation of everything you do. Peace is not a destination, it is your very nature. Even in the desert, there is beauty. Even in the dry times of your life, there is a hidden well of peace within your soul. Find your oasis. Recharge your spirit. You do not have to keep going without rest. It is okay to stop and drink from the well. The desert at night is a place of deep meditation. Listen to the silence. It is the language of the divine, speaking directly to you. Your spirit is like this fire. It provides warmth and light in the darkness. Keep your inner fire burning bright with prayer and quiet meditation. Let peace be your compass. It will always lead you home. Trust your inner guidance. It knows the way even when you feel quite lost. The ocean is vast, and so is your potential for peace. Let your worries be like small waves that dissolve into the infinite sea of. Be a lighthouse for yourself. When things get foggy, look for the light you have built within your own heart and follow its steady glow. Be anchored in truth. Let the currents of the world move around you, but do not let them drift you away from your peaceful center. Sail through life with ease. The wind of grace is behind you. You are moving toward a land of eternal peace and deep soul satisfaction. Every lantern is a prayer. Every light is a hope. You are surrounded by a cloud of witnesses who are cheering for your peace today. Release your intentions to the universe. Trust that they are being carried to the right place. Your heart's desire for peace is being fulfilled now. Your peace is not just for you. It ripples out and touches everyone you know. When you heal yourself, you help to heal the whole. We are all connected in this search for peace. You are part of a global community of souls who are choosing love over every fear. Extend your peace to others. A kind word, a gentle smile, or a moment of silence can change someone's entire day for the better today. If you feel this peace, share it. Let this light grow as we pass it from heart to heart, creating a world of true harmony. Leave a word of hope in the comments. Say amen or peace to anchor this energy in your life and join our collective healing circle. As the day ends, carry this silence with you. It is a treasure that no one can take away. It is your true home. Sleep in peace. Wake in joy. The universe is watching over you while you rest, preparing a beautiful new day for your soul's journey. Peace resides within you. May you have a peaceful life. Thank you for being part of this sacred journey toward absolute and total peace. You are a part of the infinite. Your life is a thread in the cosmic tapestry of existence. Rest in the greatness of being alive. Your light is eternal. Even when the body sleeps, the spirit remains awake and connected to the source of all life and all peaceful energy. Let the darkness be a comfort. It is the womb from which all light is born. Embrace the mystery and the silence of the great. Peace is yours, now and forever. Carry it in your heart, and it will be your shield and your guide through all of time. Thank you for being here today. May your path be blessed with light, your heart with love, and your mind with absolute and total peace.